So this is definitely worth the money. This is how I have mine set up. I don't have any windows in my living room, so I just have it using the slider. This like slider, I don't know, cover, it's made of like the same material as like a tent that you go camping with. And this is the brand of that. So this I bought separately. It was like, I don't know, probably 15, 20 bucks. And it works awesome. It's just basically Velcroed around the edge. The sliders doors like open a little bit and you just like sticky Velcro the whole edge, and then the hose is sticking through it. This unit does come with a like a window thing if your window's open this way or if your window's open this way. But like I said, I don't have any windows, so I had to get like a separate thing for my slider. But this thing is amazing. I've never had AC, so it's definitely worth the money. It's really high quality. This is all like LED. This has like a fan setting, so you can have it oscillate and it goes up and down every so often. It's really, really cold right now and it's only set to 70. I don't know how energy efficient it is yet because I just got it today, but it's insanely cold, so honestly I don't really care. If my energy bill shoots up even $100, yeah, I think it's worth it, but I guess I'll have to update later on how energy efficient it is. But it's super easy setup. It's basically just plugged into the wall into like a normal outlet. The hose is outside. It's recommended that you stretch the hose as far away as you can so that the hot air coming out of the hose isn't just like lingering around your door and coming back in. But anyway, yeah, I think this is insanely worth it. This is compared to my hand, so it's honestly, it's pretty big. It's up to probably my hip bone, so it's pretty big. It was definitely heavy moving it inside. But yeah, super easy setup. This window covering thing is also super easy setup. Like I said, it's just sticky Velcro all along the outside, and then there's a zipper that you just like pull down to, you know, secure around the hose there. But
okay, so in a second you're going to see this does not open. That is as far as it opens. Ever. Unless I do it manually. That is on. If it's off, nothing changes. This doesn't open. Ever. You can see it still hasn't changed any. The only way I can get that louver opened is if I do it manually. That's how I have to open it.
Get cold. I have it under this. I have a container under it, and the water you see in there is kind of old. It's not. That water's been in there for a while, but it stopped leaking water, and it doesn't blow cold. Like, I put my hand in front of it. This thing's been running for about an hour. It's not even cold. I mean, I wouldn't say it's warm, but it's definitely not cold. Like, I got a fan right here. The fan is just as cold as the AC, so I don't know. Do what you want with that information. I don't care.
Yeah, as you can see, there's gives you a little bit of a display, but nothing works. It just stops. It's always been sticky. It's hard. Always been the different functions have always been faint. Nothing.